If you want to turn a photo into a bold halftone effect in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to halftone a photo in Photopea step by step, and I'll also explain the settings so you can control the final look, whether you want a subtle print style or a loud retro comic book effect. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy design tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photopea and load the image you want to edit. Once your photo is on the canvas, look over to the Layers panel on the right side. This step is important because we want to keep the effect flexible. Right-click on your photo layer and then choose Convert to Smart Object. Using a smart object is a smart move because it lets you adjust the halftone effect later if you decide the dots are too big, too small, or just not quite right. It keeps your workflow non-destructive, which is always better when you're experimenting with effects. Now that your layer is ready, go up to the top menu bar. From there, click Filter, then Pixelate, and then choose Color Halftone. This is the filter that creates the classic dot-based halftone look. As soon as you click it, a settings box will appear, and this is where the look of your effect really starts to take shape. The most important setting in this menu is Max Radius. This controls the size of the halftone dots and it's measured in pixels. If you want a softer, more detailed halftone effect that still keeps a lot of the image visible, try setting the max radius between 4 and 8. That gives you a cleaner print style look. If you want something much more dramatic, bold and stylized, like a comic book cover or a pop art poster, go higher, around 12 to 20. The larger the radius, the bigger the dots and the stronger the effect will look. Next, look at the channel settings. You'll see 4 channel angle values, usually labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4. These angles control how the dot grids overlap across the image. If you want a traditional full-color comic print look, you can leave these angles at their default values. That gives you a more classic halftone style with a layered feel. But if you want a cleaner and more uniform grid pattern, you can set all 4 channels to the same number, such as 45. That creates a more aligned and structured effect, which can look really cool for graphic design or poster artwork. Once you've chosen your settings, click OK. Photopea will process the image instantly and apply the halftone effect. If you used a smart object, you've got flexibility to go back and change the settings later, which is one of the biggest advantages of using this method. You can keep adjusting until the dots look exactly how you want them. And that's it. You've now learned how to halftone a photo in Photopea. It's a really simple effect, but it can completely change the mood of an image and give it that edgy, retro, or print-inspired look. You can use this for posters, thumbnails, album art, social media graphics, or any design where you want something bold and eye-catching. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.